Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Arty and Crafty. Today I'm going to show you this super cute envelope that you can make within 5 minutes, and it is super easy to make it. When you open it, you can put in it a message or a pic or anything you want to give, and we will glue it with this beautiful heart. And for that we need the craft paper, pen, pencil, scale and a glue. So let's start. First we'll take the paper. This is 15 by 15 centimeter, and we'll take a scale and we'll mark half, 7.5, and then 1 centimeter on each side. This way. Mark on all the sides. See, I have marked on all the sides. Now first point from this to second point from this, we'll make a slant line this way. Then second from this to second from this point, this X should be there. From here also second point to second point, this way. And this is the last one, this way. Now we'll score this line. I scored this line. Now we'll fold this. Now we'll fold this two sides and we'll glue it here. And then we'll fold this and we'll glue it here. Now this is our envelope which is ready. Now we'll decorate it. See this, you can write a message on any card, or you can put a pic in it, or anything you want. You can just put in this and seal this envelope with this beautiful glitter heart. Just glue it this manner. You can keep it as simple as this, or you can decorate it like I'm doing here. I just want to decorate it with this pen. I'll make lines to enhance its looks. I'll just zoom it in. This. This way. So here it is. See, I have written open with love, and see, it looks so pretty. This is a very cute and fast craft, 5 minutes craft. You can make it very easily if you don't have anything to give a gift and you want to give it this. This is very good. So I hope you like my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for updates of my new video. Till then, happy arty and crafty. Thank you.